Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add graphs between your keyframes on CapCut. So I just selected this video over here and I'm just going to click on it and add in a keyframe at the beginning and kind of at the end, like so. And at the end I kind of want to like zoom in so the video moves and you can like see the graphs a bit more, like so. And then on the video you're just going to click on it and find graphs, and then click on it and select the graphs you want to choose.
What's that?
Oops. So there's a lot of options. As you can see, there's a bounce one, there's flow. Make sure you're in between the keyframes. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!